I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility. Check that your device supports Touch ID and has the required OS. Once done, make sure your finger is clean and dry. Avoid lotions or gloves. Next, open Settings and tap Touch ID and passcode, then enter your passcode. You'll see Add a fingerprint, tap it now. Hold the device naturally as you would when unlocking. This first step captures the core fingerprint area, so keep movement slow and steady while following on-screen prompts. You'll now capture the full fingerprint by following on-screen prompts that ask for repeated touches. Place the center of your finger on the sensor, then slightly change angle and pressure on each try. Lift and rest briefly between scans so the sensor records varied contact points. Make sure you include edges and tip of the finger by rotating subtly when asked. This is why you perform both initial and peripheral scans. It creates a more complete profile for accurate recognition in every. Finish by naming the fingerprint so you can manage it later, then test unlocking and any services like payments or app access. If recognition is spotty, re-register the same finger or add an alternate finger now. Small changes in placement cause most failures. If problems persist, clean the sensor and your finger, check that cases or screen protectors aren't blocking the sensor, and reboot the device. If none of that helps, remove the fingerprint and perform a fresh enrollment to reset the template.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.